There's an easier way to get a 6-month supply of clean, great-tasting water. Pure water filters, bottled water.
National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for Bay County in the Panhandle of Florida. This includes Panama City Beach, Panama City, until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:36 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a developing tornado 19 miles southwest of Panama City Beach, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Waterspouts may cause localized damage as they move onshore. If you are in the path of this waterspout, please go to a safe place immediately. In schools and businesses, heed tornado safety plans or move to an interior hallway away from windows. Crouch down and cover your head. Avoid gymnasiums and cafeterias. If you are in the path of this tornado, abandon your mobile home free area.